For question 20, we've got a relatively standard conditional probability question. It doesn't need one, but I'm going to start by drawing out a probability tree, as I think it actually makes life easier to visualize. So when choosing the first card, the probabilities are just how many there are out of the total. When choosing the second card, we've got to be a little bit more careful, because you can still choose blue, green, or white, but there's only two blues left with a total of 10. There's still 7, 10, and there's one with 10 just here. With green, likewise, you can still choose blue, green, or white. We're going to have 1/10, this will be 6 out of 10, and then this will be the full 3 out of 10. With white, we've got an even more different story. If he's chosen the only white card, he cannot choose the same white card again, so he's going to be left with 3 out of 10, 7 out of 10, just there. Now this is just to help me visualize my probabilities, and I am being asked work out the probability that he takes cards of different colors. We have two approaches here. My choice is either to work out the probability of all the different routes where he takes two different colors. So for example, blue to green, blue white, green blue, green white, and then white blue, white green. That's going to take quite a while. What I think is actually going to be the quicker way is doing the opposite. Well, we're trying to work out what the probability is that he chooses different cards. So what is the probability he chooses the same card? Because I've only got two ways he can do it. You can't choose the same white card twice. So we can say the probability of blue and blue is going to be equal to 3/11 times 2/10 equals 6 out of 110. And the probability of green green is going to be 7/11 times 6/10. So now we've got a total probability, when I add those together, of 48 out of 110. But that is that they are the same color. So to work out how many would not be, we can do 1 take away that probability. So we're going to do 1, what's known as 110 out of 100, or over 110, take away 48 110ths, and that is going to leave me with an answer of 62 110ths. That's the same as 31 55ths.